Got a stubborn clog that just won't budge? Whether you're a pro plumber or a weekend warrior, a powerful drain cleaner machine can save you time, money, and headaches. Today, we're counting down the top 5 best drain cleaner machines to help you handle those tough blockages like a pro. Let's dive right in. Number 5 on our list is the Vevor Q195 drain cleaner machine. The Vevor Q195 drain cleaner machine is engineered to provide powerful and reliable performance in handling tough drain cleaning jobs. Designed for both professional and residential use, it's equipped to tackle stubborn blockages in toilets, sinks, and floor drains with ease and efficiency. At the heart of this machine lies a robust 250W copper wire motor that delivers high-speed performance. With superior conductivity and low resistance, the motor ensures smooth operation and consistent power output, making it capable of breaking through even the most stubborn clogs. The Vevor Q195 includes 2 premium quality 65 Mn steel cables, one measuring 66 feet by 5/8 inch, and another at 15 feet by 3/8 inch. These cables are treated with surface hardening, enhancing their resistance to breakage, corrosion, and twisting. They're specially designed to navigate curved pipes with ease, making them ideal for use in 1.6 to 4 inch diameter piping. This machine also comes with a complete set of 7 quick change cutters. These allow for seamless adaptation to different blockage types, making the unit highly versatile and suitable for various cleaning scenarios in homes, offices, and public facilities. Whether it's clearing out accumulated debris or tackling grease and roots, the right cutter is always on hand. With its manual feeding control system, users can precisely manage the cable's feed speed and force. Combined with the CW/CCW control, this feature provides better handling and enhances overall cleaning efficiency. Constructed with high-strength industrial plastic, the Vevor Q195 is built to withstand the rigors of heavy-duty use. Its durable housing and high-performance components make it a reliable solution for maintaining clear, functional pipelines in both residential and commercial environments. Number 4 is the Syans Drain Cleaner Machine. The Syans Drain Cleaner Machine is a professional-grade tool engineered to tackle some of the toughest drain cleaning jobs. Designed for use in pipes ranging from 1 to 4 inches, it's built to handle long sewer lines, clogged toilets, blocked sinks, and floor drains with ease. Whether you're a seasoned plumber or a DIY enthusiast, this machine empowers you to take on heavy-duty cleaning tasks without the need for expensive service calls. What sets this machine apart is its intelligent auto-feed and auto-protection functionality. With an air-activated foot switch, users have precise control over cable direction, allowing forward and reverse movement with minimal effort. This means faster, safer, and more efficient unblocking work. Plus, the integrated GFCI, ground fault circuit interrupter, adds a crucial layer of electrical safety, guarding users against shocks during operation. Built with a durable 50-foot by 1/2-inch steel core cable, the Syans machine resists rust, corrosion, and tangling. Its solid core construction offers superior toughness compared to air core cables, smoothly navigating multiple pipe bends to clear deep-set clogs. This strength and flexibility ensure a seamless cleaning experience even in the most complex piping systems. Transporting the machine is effortless thanks to its compact design, 8-inch shock-absorbing wheels, and ergonomic handle. Whether you're moving it upstairs or across rough terrain, it's built for mobility. The retractable handle further enhances comfort and makes storage easy. To tackle different types of blockages, the machine comes with a complete set of interchangeable cutters: arrow, spade, C-cutter, and boring bulb, each suited for specific clogs. A pair of gloves is also included, allowing users to get started right out of the box. The Syans Drain Cleaner Machine offers a powerful, efficient, and user-friendly solution for all your drain cleaning needs. Coming in at number 3 is the Vevor Drain Cleaner Machine. The Vevor Drain Cleaner Machine is a reliable solution for tackling stubborn clogs in household or commercial plumbing systems. Equipped with a 1/2x75 feet premium steel cable, it's built to resist breakage, tangling, and kinking even when navigating multiple 90-degree bends. Enhanced by surface quenching, the cable features high hardness and corrosion resistance, making it suitable for demanding drain cleaning tasks. Operating efficiently with a no-load current of just 1.9 A, It ensures energy-conscious performance without compromising on power. Designed for versatility, the machine includes 4 distinct cutter attachments: a boring bulb cutter, C-cutter, spade cutter, and 2 arrow cutters, each tailored for different clog types and pipe conditions. A convenient built-in tool tray keeps these accessories organized and accessible during use. A standout feature is its sealed, air-activated foot switch, allowing hands-free operation and better control. For added safety, the integrated GFCI on the power cord protects the user from electrical shock, meeting essential safety standards. Constructed with a premium steel frame and finished in a sleek black and red coating, the machine offers durability and rust resistance for long-term use. Its compact design and lightweight build make transportation and handling effortless, aided further by an ergonomic handle that simplifies movement between job sites. Overall, the Vevor Drain Cleaner machine combines robust performance, thoughtful design, and user safety in a compact, professional-grade package for efficient drain cleaning. Number 2 is the Powerworkers Drain Cleaner Machine. The Powerworkers Drain Cleaner Machine is engineered for demanding drain cleaning jobs in both commercial and residential settings. Whether it's a blocked sink, a clogged shower, or an outdoor sewer line, this powerful machine is designed to get the job done with speed and efficiency. Equipped with a flexible air-activated foot switch, it enables hands-free operation, making intensive tasks more manageable for professional plumbers. Its built-in GFCI adds a crucial layer of safety, protecting the user from potential electric shock during operation. The unit's dual switch control offers an intelligent way to manage both the power outlet and cable direction simultaneously. The rocker design allows for seamless switching, improving workflow and user control. Mobility is also a standout feature. With 8-inch heavy-duty wheels and an ergonomically designed handle, the Powerworkers Drain Cleaner is easy to transport, even over rough terrain or up flights of stairs. This makes it especially convenient for professionals who need to move between job sites frequently. One of its most efficient features is the automatic feeding function, which allows for controlled forward and backward movement of the drain rope. Coupled with the flexible pneumatic foot switch, users can tackle blockages through multiple 90-degree angles effortlessly. The cocking switch further streamlines direction changes during operation. Built from high-quality, heat-treated steel, the machine is resistant to breakage, kinking, twisting, and corrosion. Its strong toughness ensures it can handle repeated use in challenging environments, maintaining performance and reliability over time. In all, the Powerworkers Drain Cleaner machine is a smart, rugged, and efficient solution for professionals who need reliable performance for tough drainage challenges. And finally, our number 1 pick is the Ridgid K-400 Drain Cleaner Machine. The Ridgid K-400 Drain Cleaner Machine is a high-performance solution engineered to tackle everyday clogs and drain lines ranging from 1/2 to 4 in diameter. Designed for reliability and ease of use, this 120-volt drum machine delivers consistent power, making it ideal for clearing blockages in tubs, showers, and sinks with minimal hassle. This all-in-one package comes equipped with a robust induction-style belt motor operating at 165 RPMs. It includes Ridgid's patented auto-feed control for hands-free cable advancement and retrieval, offering speeds between 10 to 14 feet per minute. The system also features a 4-piece tool set, heavy-duty gloves, and a detailed operator's manual for safe and efficient operation. Built for durability, the corrosion-resistant cable drum houses 75 feet of rugged, kink-resistant C32 integral wound solid core cable. This 3/8-inch diameter cable is specifically suited for 1.5 to 3-inch drain lines, providing flexibility and strength to tackle stubborn blockages with confidence. For added convenience, the K400 is designed with mobility in mind. It features an integrated transport cart with a fold-over handle and oversized heavy-duty wheels that make it easy to maneuver over rough terrain and stairs, ensuring quick transport between job sites. Safety is at the forefront of the design with the patented cable control system. This feature stops the drum from spinning if the cable head becomes lodged, helping to protect the operator and prolong equipment life. Altogether, the Ridgid K400 blends power, safety, and mobility into a comprehensive drain cleaning machine ready to perform in demanding conditions.